According to the Philippine Animal Welfare Society, there were more or less 12 million stray cats and dogs that roamed the streets of the Philippines in 2019.
Pet lovers is ma-appreciate nila kung ano talaga yung source of problem, and this is a failure to spay, neuter, or kapon. Pero hindi mo masosolve ang problem by adopting. Adoption is good, rescue is good, pero you cannot solve the problem. For example, may baha sa banyo. Yung adoption at saka rescue, yun yung tabo mo. You're trying to lessen the water. But if you're not turning off the faucet, and yung spay neuter, yun yung faucet eh. Pag hindi mo pinatay yung source, patuloy ka lang na magtatabo nung tubig palabas ng banyo at patuloy na nagbabaha yung banyo mo. I see many groups trying to rescue, trying to save dogs from death row, which is a good thing. But if the root of the problem is not addressed, we will forever be going in a circle and hindi masosolve yung problem.